Prime Minister Narendra Modi spoke with French President Emmanuel Macron over the telephone yesterday and conveyed solidarity for the wildfires in France. The leaders reviewed ongoing bilateral initiatives, including defense cooperation projects and cooperation in civil nuclear energy. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh handed over indigenously developed equipment and systems to the Indian Army in New Delhi today. Deputy Chief Minister in charge PWD Roads Preston Tinsong has informed that he has asked the National Highways and Infrastructure Development Corporation to call tender for construction of the Umyam to Shillong stretch of the National Highway 40. Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong, who is heading the high-level committee on relocation of residents from Thamyo Maulong, informed that the Urban Affairs Department is working on the blueprint for the relocation of the 342 families of Harijan colony. Health Minister Mansukh Mandaviya has urged states and union territories to accelerate coverage of precaution dose for COVID-19 among population aged 18 years and above.